Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Bose Music app and remove Bose speakers from Wi-Fi. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Bose Music app, start by locating the app on your device. On an Android device, open the app drawer and find the Bose Music app icon. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation by tapping OK. For iOS devices, locate the Bose Music app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to shake. Tap the X in the corner of the app icon. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete. Now that the app is uninstalled, you'll need to remove your Bose speakers from your Wi-Fi network. Start by ensuring your Bose speakers are powered on. Open the Bose Music app on any device that still has it installed. If you no longer have the app, you can use the Bose website to manage your devices. In the app, locate the speaker you want to remove. Select the speaker to open its settings. Look for the option that says Remove Product or Forget Device. Confirm the removal when prompted. Next, reset your Bose speaker if you plan to connect it to a different network. Refer to your user manual for specific reset instructions for your model. Once reset, your speaker will no longer be connected to the previous Wi-Fi network. Ensure your new Wi-Fi network credentials are handy for reconnecting later. You have now successfully uninstalled the Bose Music app and removed Bose speakers from your Wi-Fi network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.